Good afternoon, magandang hapon. Let's continue doing affixes, and today let's have pang. Pang. Pang is a prefix attached to nouns, and it indicates that the use of an item is especially or is specifically for the noun that pang is attached to. So, let's have examples. Let's have an example, and I have 4 items here with me, and they're all soaps. I have a laundry soap, bath soap, and hand soap. Last one, dish washing liquid. Mga sabon sila. This soap is used for laundry. Sabon, soap. Sabon, panglaba. Sabon, panglaba. Second one, this is also a soap, but this is a bath soap. Sabon, pangligo. Sabon, pangligo. Hand soap. Sabon, pang kamay. And fourth one, last one, sabon, sabon, panghugas ng pinggan. Sabon, panghugas ng pinggan. Or you can just say, sabon, pang pinggan. Hand sanitizers, pang Halloween. Sabon, pang kamay. Pangkusina. Pangkuha ng candy. Pangkuha ng candy.